everyone and welcome back to my channel. So as requested, you want me to film a sort of behind the scenes day in the sewing school. Today hasn't been the best day in terms of sound because it's been tipping it down, but it's been raining all day, so I just thought for the afternoon I'm just going to film a bit of what I'm up to and what I'm doing upstairs in the sewing room, which is what this area is. So downstairs is basically our sort of shop and welcoming and communal area. We've got some big tables down there, and up here is the sewing school, so it's where all our sewing machines are. So yeah, I just thought I'd film what I was up to and the things I'm doing. So I've got to do some tidying. I've got loads of stuff to put away from previous workshops and lessons that I've been doing, and I had a sew session last night, so I was here till really late. So I've got a bit of tidying up to do, and then I've got a magazine commission to get done, so I'm going to do that in a bit. Oh, and I just thought I'd say that I am wearing a ready-made top. I think it's from Topshop, and this is a new jumpsuit that I've made that should be out on the Minerva Crafts blogger network today or tomorrow, depending on when this video goes up. So it's my new favourite thing, but head over to the blogger network if you want to see more pictures. So I really hope you enjoyed that video. I'm sorry if it was a bit sort of like jaggedy and jumbled up, but that was a random day in the sewing school. I will do a few more of these because I think a lot of you said it would be quite fun to see, especially when we've got sort of workshops and stuff going on. Maybe I should do a sort of week's worth of what we're doing. But I just thought, I haven't done a video in a long time, and a lot of you have been messaging me asking me where I am. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you did. Comment below with anything you want to tell me. Update me on what you've been sewing and new patterns that you've got. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you next week for another video. Happy handmade, everyone.